Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be telling you about how to solve a simple equation by using a scientific calculator. So let's start. First of all, I have a calculator and I will press the mode button in it. After this, because I'm solving an equation, so I will be opting for equation option, that is on number 5. So I will press number 5. Then I have two variables and these are two equations, so I will opt for number 1 option. Now the x and y are called the variables and all the numbers, they are the consonants, right? So I will be putting the values of the consonants here. So in my first equation it's 2x, so I will press 2, then I will press the equal to sign, then it's plus 4y, so I will press 4, then again equal to sign is equal to 8. So now I will press number 8 and then equal to sign. Now my second equation is 3x minus 6y is equal to 12. So I will press 3, then equal to sign, now minus 6 and equal to sign. Now I will press 12 and equal to sign, and after this I will press the equal to sign again. So I will get my answer. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. Now let's take another example. Let's suppose we have an equation that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, and then 4x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now let's start it. Now I will be putting the values of the consonants again. So I will be pressing 2, then equal to sign, then I will be pressing 3 and equal to sign, then I will press 5 and equal to sign. Now I will be inserting the values of the second equation, that is 4 and equal to sign, then 2 and equal to sign, and 6 and equal to sign. Now I will again press the equal to sign and I will get my answers. X is equal to 1 and y is also equal to 1. So this is how you can solve an equation by using a scientific calculator. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.